guys, I'm going to be showing you a brand new Swiss Army knife. It comes with scissors on it. It comes with bottle openers. Of course, this is the reason why they call it a pocket knife, because it's got to come with a knife on it. And no, if you're wondering if it comes with a torch on it, it doesn't. I reckon that sucks too, because I like torches and I like keeping everything light and everything like that. So yeah. And I've got 2 more knives on it. Three knives that comes with it. Comes with any more? No. Comes with a champagne opener. Yeah, that's right. I drink champagne, getting started. Ah, crap. And comes with this sort of thing. I do not know what that is. A henna, toothpick, your mum. We don't know, children. Ah, crap. It comes with a toe thingy. You know, like scratch your toes to keep it nice and get the gunk out of them. See that little sharp thing? You have to get the gunk out. My favourite part, because I love tools. I love making stuff. A screwdriver. Oh, yeah, and some two things. And I don't know what that is. Now, watch my other video, fishing knife. See ya, dickheads.